Hello, students. This is Ravati, Assistant Professor in Information Technology in SNS College of Engineering. I hope you all got clear idea about the approaches of knowledge representation in artificial intelligence. Just a recall, the types of approaches of knowledge representation are simple relational representation, that is represented in the form of table, then hierarchical model is represented in the form of hierarchical tree, then inferential representation is represented in logical form, then procedural knowledge, it will gives how to make facts rather than what it is. Then in the today's session we will see about forward and backward reasoning in artificial intelligence. In artificial intelligence, forward and backward reasoning is one of the most important topic. But before that, you have to understand where the forward and backward chaining is coming from. Then inference engine. Inference engine is the component of the intelligent system in artificial intelligence, like our core engine, which applies logical rules to the knowledge base to infer new information from known facts. Then inference engine commonly proceeds in two modes, which are first one is forward chaining, second one is backward chaining. Let us see about forward chaining. Forward chaining is also known as forward deduction or forward reasoning method. It is a form of reasoning which starts with atomic sentences in the knowledge base and applies inference rules in the forward direction to extract more data until a goal is reached. Here, the human expert giving the data to the knowledge engineer gives the facts to the knowledge base which is present in the artificial intelligence. Then knowledge base is gives that facts to inference engine, then it will in gives to the user. The user may or may not be the expert of artificial intelligence. The forward chaining algorithm starts from the facts, triggers all the rules whose premises are satisfied, and add their conclusion to the known facts. This process repeats until the problem is solved. Then here the facts are given, facts 1 and 2 are given to the AND gate, then facts 3 and 4 are given to the OR gate. Then it will be given to the inference engine that again gives to the AND operation. Then it will derived from the data. Then the finally goal is achieved from the fact. This is called as forward chaining. Then the properties of the forward chainings are, it starts from the initial state, uses facts to make a conclusion. It is also called as data driven approach, uh, which means the data are used to given the goal. Then it is employed in export system and production rule systems. Then the example is given below. Tom is running is the fact. Then you have to prove Tom is sweating. If a person is running, he will sweat. Then A implies B. Therefore, Tom is sweating. The goal is B. Here the fact is A and the inference rule applied to that fact, the goal is achieved. That means Tom is sweating. Then the advantages of forward chaining used to draw multiple conclusions, then provide a good basics for arriving at conclusions, then more flexible than for backward chaining. Then disadvantages are, it is time consuming, observations are not clear. Then second one is backward chaining. Backward chaining is also known as backward deduction or backward reasoning method. A backward chaining algorithm is a form of reasoning which starts with the goal and works backward chaining through rules to find known facts that support the goal. Then properties are top to sorry top to bottom approach, goal driven method for reasoning. Goal is subdivided into some goals to prove the truth of the facts. Here the example is given. The Tom is sweating is the goal, which is derived from the forward chaining. Then if a person is running, he will sweat. That means A gives B. Here the A is the Tom. So if Tom is running, then he will get sweat. So that fact is Tom is running. Here the goal is Tom is sweating, the fact is Tom is running. From the conclusion, we have to prove the fact. Here proved. Then here advantages of backward chaining is easy to deduce inferences, quicker method of reasoning than forward chaining. Correctness solutions can be derived effectively. Then disadvantages are the process of reasoning can only start if the endpoint is known. It does not deduce multiple solutions or answers. Less less flexible than the forward chaining. Thank you.